right. Oh, well, I have some plans for today. I am not sure if the time will be enough to build several ideas that I have. One of them is to build interactive polling system for users to vote on different options. I mean, the streamer to set up a poll, different options, and the viewers to be able to choose their option. Well, that's the basic idea that I have. The other one seems more ambitious. It's like a little platforming game, very very basic, and users can set up a set of commands, and those commands will actually control the little player on the platforming level. And I mean, the users can do commands to I got stuck to control the little player on the screen, and probably have like races. And there will be certain set of commands that will be faster for the little player to complete the platforming level. So that's one of the ideas, and probably it won't be finished in one video, because I don't even know how it will be behaving or how it will work. And yeah, we have the Hater Cup every Thursday at 8 p.m. But that's unrelated to this. So let's get started first with the poll system. It will be very basic. As always, I'm starting with empty folder. So I will be creating a new file. First index.html. I will be creating a polling system. I didn't know those were pepperonis, I think, not chorizos, but I mean, basically chorizo is like a pepperoni, I think. So yeah, I didn't set up any background music, but if you think it will be better with music, just let me know, and I will set up something. Hey, hello Afro, how are you? So I will start with something pretty basic, and then I will add a script.js file, which I will be including over here. This one, and then this one, and this doesn't have anything yet. I have a like a let me look for it. It's like a base code for communicating to Twitch, which I will copy. I will copy that code and then try to explain what I'm doing, not to okay. I will have to prove. Wait a second. Open with code, and then I will. Oops. Actually, I will. Yep. I will copy this section only. Well, actually, all of this. and then copy this, and then copy this, and then copy. I will also need to copy another file, which is the file to communicate to Twitch. I mean the middleware for that. I will create a folder called lib, and then over here I will copy a file. This one. It's called TMI. TMI. It's Twitch messaging interface. Yep, it's Twitch messaging interface. So it's basically a middleware to communicate to Twitch. Yeah, sorry, I didn't follow chat. Hello, Chimeric. Hello, Afro. Sharpstar. Hello. How are you? Rick Bench. Hello. Hello, Sarai. How are you all? Hello, Drew. So yeah, I was telling that this TMI, it's a Twitch messaging interface. It's to communicate to Twitch. I will also need to include that over here. Script. I will lib TMI.js, and then oh wait, I need to explain this. So basically, this is the basic setting to connect to AppBot to Twitch. This is the config that I need. It basically explains the connection. I will be using secure connection. Those are the basics. I mean, what Twitch requires for that, and then the identity. Who am I, or which bot it's trying to connect to Twitch. Right now I have it's a normal Twitch account which I use as a bot. It's called Nosberg. Some of you already have heard of that user. And then this is my key. It's like my credential to sign into Twitch, but in a hash or a gibberish. I signed up to coding class back in middle school years. Even I didn't went to middle school. Yeah, I mean, what I'm about to do, it's it's pretty basic, but yeah, you will have to do to have a little bit of basic knowledge about programming. And this, for example, interacting with this library can be kind of advanced, probably. I don't know. But I mean, besides from that, what I'm going to do, I think it's pretty basic. So, well, I have this. For example, I have the channel. I need to declare. I need to tell the bot which channel I am going to use the bot. So channel equals my channel, basically. And then what I also need to do, it's to, yeah, I think this is the basic setup for that. And basically, I mean, this the Twitch messaging interface provides us with a function. I will say a function, which is called client on. It's called chat. So this client will be listening to the chat events. In this case, I will be listening to the chat event, which triggers every time anyone in chat types something. So And sorry if I am missing the some alerts. I haven't set up the alerts for follow and that, but I mean I know Chimeric follow me. So thank you for that. But yeah, as I was saying, this provide us with an interface. In this case, this interface, it's and you can actually look for it, tmi.js, and this, for example, will give us JavaScript package for Twitch chat. Yep. And this will give us different handlers, different events, different things to do with it. So, and one of the, this is the basic code that I was talking about. So what I'm trying to do, it's the pretty basic. So I need this signature. Oops. So basically, we receive different parameters. First, we wanna discard if self, then return, else. No, not else. I'm going to do something just to test it out. I'm going to do something like client.say channel, oops, and then I'm missing something. Message, let me check, and chat. Instead of tag, it's user. Yep, it's user. I could do something like, I'm sorry, I'm missing chat. No, I didn't miss anything. So for example, I can do something like user dot no, not that, display name say oops, something like this. So for every message this bot reads from chat, it will reply something like the user that types the message said and the message. It won't work yet because I need to do something like serve dot something like that, and then this is my server or my client, and then what I need to do is to add that as resource in OBS. So that should be enough. And actually I don't require nothing to be visible. I can, thanks Nazgul. For what? What did I do? So every time someone types anything in, I think, let me check. Every time someone, yep, there you go. So Raul Hader and hello, by the way, typed que hermoso, and Nasborg replied with the same. And this time will only work on Twitch, because I am getting also YouTube messages, because I'm streaming to both YouTube and Twitch, but it will only work on Twitch at the moment. So that's the basics. I mean, I will listen for that, listen for a message, and then do something with that message. So that's the basic functionality that I'm trying to expand. So what I'm trying to do is, for example, if I need different things. One of them is, for example, if you could send it to translate. Yeah, I could do that. For example, I could translate. I could I don't know. I could do a lot of things. But what I wanted to do is to create a poll system. So I will be able to set up a poll, and anyone can vote of the different options. So, for example, if I need to, I will type something because I need to test something. I will set poll, I don't know, something like that. And then for example, I will have to check into the user settings to, for example, if user dot we have several properties for the user. One of them, and the one that I'm looking for, is badges dot, and I'm checking the different badges that I could have. If user badges broadcaster equals 1, I think. No, equals 1, but a string. Oops. So if that happens, actually no. What I need to do first is check if the message is a command. So if message starts with the exclamation mark, then this will be a command, and then I have to do some. Sorry, I missed chat. Oh, okay. Sorry. If the message is a command, then I will have to do something about it. I can do several things here. I will separate my my command to say some. Well, not. Yeah, I will check if message starts with poll, then I will have to check if I am the one that is sending the message. So if I am the one that is sending the message, then I will create poll. I will have to create a. I will have to create this function, probably over here. Create poll equals a function that has a string, not a string, the poll. So then, for example, I will const poll equals text equals nothing, and then options equals an array of strings. Yeah, I'm sorry for the dogs. They're like crazy. I don't know. We can control them, so you will hear a lot of barking here and there. We'll have the options, and actually the options will be an array, and then let me do this a different size. There you go. So if I create a poll, then I will have to do something like poll.text equals I forgot the start. Why 5? Because this will be the starting of the command, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters that I need to remove. Or actually 6, because I will have to remove also the first space. So we have 6 characters that I want to remove, and then have something like, in this section I will have, for example, the title, div id equals title, and then div id equals options, something like that. And then I will have to store those const title element equals document.get element by id title. I am retrieving the HTML element to a variable, and the same for the options. I think it was called options. So then I will have something like title element dot text, or inner text. I think it's inner text equals to poll, something like that. I will comment this out because I am still getting replies from the bot. So if I do something like poll, the same, next thing to build, it will do something, I think. Oh no, it didn't. It didn't because I need to refresh, I think. Yep, I need to refresh the source. This one, refresh. There you go. And then I will type the same, poll, next thing to build. it should appear something or not. Let me check. Cannot read property. Oh, I miss something over here to send the message. And actually what I can do is to clean up the message before sending it. So I can actually do something like message dot substring up 6, and that's it. And then refresh over here, refresh over here, and refresh over here, and then type something. Right. Oops. No, what I do? Okay. Wait a second. It should be showing something over here. Oh, it's too small. Let me fix it. And actually, I mean, it's showing something, but I need to probably change the size of this. This is the properties, all right. Width, something like this, and something like this, and I will put it at top, and then I will have to modify the properties to decrease the size, and then I will add a little CSS over here, link rel. Oops, no, not like this, just style. Background color white, and then I will need to refresh. There you go. And then yeah, with that it should be enough. Title and get value 88. I don't know who is get value 88, and I don't know what is that. Title and oh, I need to update my title. Yeah, it's in English. I don't know. I didn't get that. So instead of a div, I will make h1 to make sure that the text is bigger. I will do something like, let me check. I'll copy this and then I will paste it. There you go. And then it will appear the what's the title of the poll. So then what I need to do is to start adding options to the poll, the current poll. So for example, I could do something like I will copy this code and just change for option. If it starts with option and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I will I will add an option to the poll, and then do something like if poll.text. I want to add options to the poll only if there is a text already set up. So once I have that, then I will need to create this function, which will be something similar to, where is it? Create poll, this one. Add option, and then the argument will be an option, and then in this time I will have to, I missed something. Poll.title .text equals poll. And actually probably I need to take out this one and just call something like update UI. Call a different function, and this const update UI will be in charge to update our HTML. So I will do this, and I will do some also options.push text equals option, and votes equals 0, and number equals poll.options.length, something +1. Something like that. So this will create an array of elements. Each element will have a text property, which will be the text that I type in chat, a number. So you can probably, a number will be the best. And numbers, so you can type something like both 1, and you will be, I don't know, okay, yeah, something like both 1, and it will register a vote for the option 1, and then the votes, which will be storing the vote count for that option. So this is the basics. Then I will call update UI function, which will be calling this one, and then options element dot inner text, not inner text. Actually, what I wanted to do is to I want to be more interactive, so I will do something different for this one. I will be doing something like a for each, for const option of poll.options, first of all, options dot inner HTML equals null. I think it will work, or nothing. Oops. And then for each option, I will I'm thinking. Yeah, it's okay. I will create something like I will add first an option which will be a div. This div will have information about each of the options, and basically it will have I'm thinking probably just the title, which will be the text, and then span another element to represent the how many votes it has. So in the meantime, I will add something like I don't know, hello, something like this. So I will refresh. I will type poll what, and it will create an error. Okay, wait a second. I got an error. Let me check. And the way that I'm checking, let me share with you, is this. So basically I will type something in chat and I will put a breakpoint. I will type something, it will hit the breakpoint, and then the message is poll what. It's what I just type in chat, and then message start with poll yes, is broadcaster yes, so it will create poll, and the message is what. Oops. Oh, I got it. I am using the same variable name for this and for that, so it's causing issues. So I need to, let me run this up and then change the I don't know, text, and probably the same will happen for this. No, it's okay. Let me refresh, let me refresh, and then I will type something the same. So we have the text, which is what, we got the poll object, and we update the UI. I think I didn't refresh the browser source in OBS. Let me make sure that I'm doing the correct thing. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm missing something over here also. This is poll There you go. And there you go. We are building like a poll system. I mean, I will set up a poll like this. Which game to play next week? Something like this, and it will appear on screen. And then I will add option. Option 1 will be, I don't know, Mario Odyssey, and it should do something. Okay, poll options. We have an option, and we update. Yep, we will update the UI. And then users, any user can use the vote to vote for an option. So I can add several option. I don't know, selection 2, which will be added to the list. And oops, let me change the properties to. I don't know. Oh, I mean, I need persistence of the data for that, but it's okay. I will add some opacity, body, it won't appear the opacity. Let me change it. Let me Hey, what is going on? Okay, body, probably. It's not working, the opacity. I will get yeah, I don't actually, one of the ideas that I have, it's to create, well, it's not a bucket, of course, but it's like a little platform game which the users on chat will be able to control the player, and it will be pretty basic, just a few obstacles there, but the user will be able to control the player entirely and do, I don't know, jumping, running, and so on. And I'm thinking probably do several of them in in a different like layers or levels. So any user can type the different commands to control the player and probably optimize the commands that they need. I don't know. It's an idea that I have that I think it could be pretty cool, because you will be able to like program the player to complete the obstacles. But yeah, I don't think I will even have the time to start because right now, yeah, we're building a polling system. I mean, yeah. So I don't like that every time I refresh this one, it actually, what I can do, you know what, is to start my where is it, this one, what game to play next, to start my my object with some options, and I will say something like my OTC Zelda, I don't know, and then number 1, number 1, number 2, and number 3, and 0 votes. So if I refresh this, oh, I know, I need to call this one. Update UI. There you go. It's pretty small, and I will remove the hello. And there you go. Every vote, actually I need to probably include which number is each one of them, something like dot number, something like that, and then there you go. So this span will have also a width, no, style width equals something %. I don't know. Something like that. For example, if I start this with 10 votes, sorry, it should have something. This time it won't have anything because I haven't added a color yet to this. But wait a second, I will add some color. Background color red. Oops. Okay, let me check. Oops. So I have an element there, and then this one, oh, probably, let me check width. Okay, display line block. Oops. Oh, I did equals and it's to colon. And then I need to there you go. Okay, I will have a class. Well, not a class. But I do need to add a height value, which will be, I don't know, 12 pixels, and then refresh. Yep, I'll have also need to include an display inline block property, and refresh. There you go. So if I change this to 20, it will reflect over there. Oh, there you go. So what I need to do now is to have a sum of all the votes. So I need to do something like, I could do several things over here to actually the text should be live inside the span. Yeah, the only concern about that is if the vote count is too small for an option, it won't show the text. But yeah, I was thinking at first to have the text inside the bar or the span in this case, but I will check if yeah, I will check. Probably what I can do is to include the percent value for that. Actually, yeah, I wanted to do something like const total equals all dot options dot reduce, and I will have an accumulator and current, or yep, and it will basically return, no, not return, dot no, return accumulator plus current dot, oops, votes. And it will start with 0. And then, since we have our total of votes, I will have something like yeah, I need to probably do something like total votes addition. So if we have, for example, 20 votes and 30 votes and 10 votes, it will have a I don't know if this is okay. Let me check something. 100 votes. Oops. Yep, that's what I was thinking of. Yeah, this is not right. I will have the proportional, so I will have the number between. I always struggle to have the proportional, but total votes. Let me check. It's still too large. The maximum number that I am expecting to have is probably since it's a percentage, probably 100. It's the 100 pixels maybe. So const proportional equals to I will check really quick the oops. example, in this case, total votes should be 100%. So, and then I don't know. I need to cross. So, yeah, I always struggled for that. But it should be this one. Divided by 100, I think. No, then otherwise, I mean, nope. What's the winner combination? The winning combination. Let's see. Oh, wait a second. There you go. So the winning combination should be I don't know. I will try several things until I got the real. Oh, yeah. I am missing something, and I mean I was doing the something that I wasn't supposed to. This is supposed to be just dot number, and over here we need to do the calculation. That's why I was getting different results. So no. There you go. Now we have the total votes for multiplied by 100, probably. No. So otherwise 100 divided by this, and then multiplied by total votes, probably. Nope. Then total votes, and then there. Let's see. Nope. Let's see this way. Probably. And then divided by 10. So what I can do next, I think this is more stable now, I think. So what I'm going to do next is to, for example, for this div, no, not for the div. Yeah, for the span, have I will separate the styling into several lines to make it more clear. There you go. So I will add also margin left of 100 pixels. No. 100 pixels. No, okay. Padding. Oh, what is going on? All right, I need to change some things over here. So first of all, I will separate this into another span, and this span will have the not this, the width. Okay, we'll have also a style, and we'll have a width of I don't know, 100 pixels, and that's it. Why it's not working? There you go. I will have to increase the size. There you go. Vengo por recomendación de Ilse, no tengo ni NPI de programación, pero de que puedo aprender. Yeah, we are doing like a poll system. I will be able to set up a question and different options, and every user could be able to vote using the number probably. So that's the goal, to make something like that. Right now I'm struggling to have the proper size for each of the bars. I don't know why. It should not be that hard, because if I use, for example, 50 and then refresh, I don't know. I don't trust those sizes, but that's okay. So because if I do something like 1 vote, and then this has 5 votes, and then this has I don't know, 2 votes, yeah, it won't show what I wanted to show. So this is not right. Total votes. Let's see. I am using JavaScript right now. It's just plain HTML, and this is called JavaScript. JavaScript is the language that it's that uses. Well, sorry. That every website uses for interactivity or whatever. So basically, if you enter, for example, Facebook and I don't know, whatever interactivity that you find in a website, it's made usually with JavaScript. So this is JavaScript. And I'm using plain HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, which is for styling. And I am using also a library called where is it? This one, TMI, which is a Twitch messaging interface, and this is for being able to communicate to Twitch. So if I do something like what is it? I will do a copy of this. And then empty, and this also empty. If I do something like this, and then I write poll, which game to play tomorrow, it will appear on the screen. And then add option option, I don't know, Mario, option Zelda, option Metroid. So it will be adding the options manually, automatically, sorry. And then once this is everything set up, you can, I mean, this is what I'm about to create. Any user could use something like boat 2, and then about will be internal error. Wait. If I use something like a boat, then it will be reflected on screen automatically. So that's what I am about to do. Next, so else if message that starts with boat, then what I'm about to do is to everyone can vote, so I don't have to check for my permission. So I will vote. I will create a function called vote, and I will send just the option number. So message dot string, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6, and that's it. And then when I const vote equals a function number, first of all, I will have to check for the poll option that they're trying to find. Const poll option equals poll.options.find Actually, first I need to clean the number, which in this case will be a string. So this is like a hack or a shortcut to convert a string to number, to an actual number. Not I mean, this will be converted to this, and it has the difference in terms of programming, because this one I cannot do arithmetic operations with it, because it's basically a word, but this one is an actual number, so I can add sum or subtractions or whatever arithmetic operations to it. So I will find for an element that has the number equals to clean number, and then if poll option is found, then poll option dot polls plus. I don't know if this is going to work, but let's see. I will refresh. No, sorry. I will comment this out and then comment this one, and then refresh. I will reset to 0. Why number? Why I am using number? And I am dividing by 0, so this will crash the application. Let me start with 1 instead, and then refresh. And then if I do something with both 4 doesn't exist. Both 2. Oh, I forgot something very important. After this, I need to update the UI to actually reflect the changes on the screen. So I will refresh, and I will do those 2. It did the thing that I don't want to do, so I'm guessing I have this operation or something like that. Yep, both 1. Well, it increased a little bit. Both 1. Okay. So. Yeah, I need to figure out the way to have the numbers properly. I mean, this formula is not right, obviously. So, or is it? Yeah, let me check. Go to. Let me check. Dos palomas, por favor. Hello, Bacon. How are you? Vote 2. Yep. It keeps increasing, and it should not be increasing that way. Vote 3. Yep. But I mean, at some point, it will go out of bounds of the. I mean the space that I have designated for it, I think. Yeah, I mean it is. Yeah, it's not right. I have to change this. Yeah, if you put something that this is not on. Yeah, it automatically adds options and then lets you vote for them. But I have something not right with this, and I don't know what it is. And I am too lazy to think about the. Oops, I forgot to. Total votes. I don't think that's a vote, but okay. It keeps. All right, so let me check what is doing this little thing. I am going to vote for something, and then I should be not getting what I'm expecting. Okay, I didn't want to do this, but I'm going to. I'm going to go Google for the formula to get the proportional. So let's see. Because I always struggle with that one. So, for example, all right. If we have total votes multiplied by the total percent, and then divided by the items that I want to calculate, and that should be it. And then yeah, I have 100%. I'm going to use calc to do 100% minus 300 pixels. There you go. Oops. Why didn't work? Calc. Coop. I am not getting what I'm supposed to. Let me check. Oh, this thing. Okay. The proportional value is the total multiplied by, my total multiplied by the total that I want to represent, divided by the proportional, and I should be getting, I don't know, some value over here. Let me check. 200%. What is that? Why I'm getting 200%? And I am checking over here. Oops. I am getting 200%, even though I shouldn't. So if I type something like both 2, I will be getting 250. Right, but this is I don't know. I don't know. I will instead of multiplying by 100, I will be multiplying by 10, and that way it will only show something. And then if I both 3, no, this is not working. All right. So the other formula that I found, I think it was what I have previously. 3 multiplied by, yep, and then divided by total votes. And this is, I think, what this is like the formula that I need, I think, but it's not showing. Oh, it worked, I think. Both 1. No. Oh, I forgot to. Yeah, actually, I forgot to display something over here. There you go. Refresh. Okay, this is, I think it's correct. Then if I both 1, 50%, and Y 25%, it's that size. All right, let me check. Oh, I'm yep. I forgot to remove this. And then this. This is okay. And then I think this is okay. Well, let me refresh. And let me refresh over here. Both 1. And then both 1. Okay, and I think this is correct, because the 100% should be something like over here, and that's okay, because if I do something like with also those, okay, 1 vote, yep, 0, 0, and 0, and then refresh. This is okay. Both 1, and should be 100%. Yep. The only thing, okay, I need to do something for this. Options, display flex, and then all right, let me fix it. Alright, we have the width of 100%, which is fine. The only thing that I need to change is okay. So probably what I need to do is add a class div flex. There you go. So instead, there you go. And then for this one, there you go. And just add different colors to the bars, to the bars. And actually I will want to add another class bar, which will be text align center, and then all the this 100% text align center, text, no, what is it, font weight bold, and color should be white. And then I will refresh, and I will refresh. I forgot to add the class, and then refresh. There you go. And then proportional or 0. Oh no, not here. Over here. 0%. And then I will have const bar colors, and this will be equal to different colors. I don't know. Actually, I want to use hexadecimal. I think it's more inspect. And then instead of red, I will be using, I don't know, this one, for example. And then, I don't know, orange. And then something purple, probably. Oops. And then something green. And then oops, and then something yellow. No. This is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brown, probably. And what other? Cyan, or this. Yeah, I know. Those are the only. I mean, that's the first thing that I thought. So get used to it. Also, I only play Nintendo. So what did you expect? Oops. All right, let me refresh, and then I will use for the color. I will use the bar colors, the number, oops, there you go, and I will refresh, and it will appear, it will show different colors for every option, and then you could type something like both 1, and it will increase the, oh, I missed something, let me check. Both 3. It should have the options /div display flex. And why is it not showing? Oh, because I used class instead of ID. Okay. So if I do both 3, 2, there you go, and then both 2 again, both 1, and it should, oh, I need to fix that. So I'll need to use something like, there is a function for that, I don't remember, and I think it's called fix, yeah, fix. To fixed 2 decimals only. Oops. I'm doing a mess code, following best practices, but it's okay. So everything should be, actually I can do just 1 decimal, and then, yep, exactly, both 2, and then both 3. There you go, and then both 2 again, and it will, actually what I can do next is to add a transition, transition, all, or yeah, all. So adding this will be smooth the change on the, well, I don't think so, because I am re-rendering. I am not, yeah, I don't think so. It won't change anything. Yep, exactly, because I am re-rendering. That's okay. I mean, I could change that to, but that's okay. I could add an option. Oops. Option. I don't know. So let's, and then bold 4, and it will have another color for that, and the boat over there. And then what I need to do is probably to fix the font, because this one is really, I mean, it looks pretty bad. So font family, this one. There you go, a little bit better. And then I need to get rid of the white background. So I did opacity, but it didn't work. I will remove this one entirely. Yeah, it doesn't show anything. What I can do is to do color white, and then it will appear something, but it won't show properly. Index section. I mean section. I will do opacity and then background color white. Oh. Yeah, I probably can change the properties. 500, and then I will have to change also the width. I don't know, 800. There you go. All right. All right. This is probably better. I think. And then what I have to do is to add margin 10 pixels. Margin or padding? Yep, padding. It won't work. Why? Padding. Oh, I know. Okay. This is the section, so I need to add margin. No, padding was okay. Padding. Am I missing something? Body? it's not changing anything. I need to it should be padding, but it isn't working. Oh, there you go. I was refreshing other source. Right, I have a so what I need to do is to padding 5 pixels. 5 pixels, and then refresh, and then change the size for this to be, I don't know, the double, and then it won't matter if there is no more options, because it will only takes the space that it needs. But if I add another one, option Y, because you want Metroid Red, probably. There you go. You can use both for, and then whoop. Or you can add the option. Well, I can add. You cannot. I can add the option. I don't know. You can, and actually, what I can do is add. I need to add a lock for closing the voting, and then add another command to end the poll and don't display anything. But I can add something like Celeste, and then both three, and is winning both three. This is something weird with the space over here. And I don't know what it is. But let me check. Because right now, all right, both those two, both two, and then both three. But now it's displaying properly. Both 5. There you go. And then I can do something like where is it? Else if message dot starts with close poll, then just oops, I will have to add another property to the poll. Locked equals false, and then basically just do something like poll.lock equals true, and then accept submissions if poll is not locked, then accept submissions or votes, and then yeah, I'm thinking I need to add, for example, over here a span with ID winner, and then get the winner, and then when I close the poll, just display the winner over here. So to do that, const winner equals winner option will be equals to all the options that how do I find the max value for an array of objects? Yeah, I will probably need to do a sorting. So sort options equals poll.options.sort, and then I will have to use default function a.votes minus b.votes, and then winner option will be sort options, the first one, and then winner element dot inner text will be equals to winner option dot text, and that's it, I think. Refresh, and then I will do both 2, and then close poll, and didn't work, or did it work? Let me check. Refresh and refresh, and both 2. Oh, I got an error. Close poll is not defined. Oh, why? Oh, I forgot to put this as a string. Yep. Sorry. There you go. Boat 2. There you go. And then boat 1. And then boat 1 again. And then close poll. And it will show the winner next to the... Oh no, I get rid of the... Yeah. Interesting. Well, not interesting, but I got rid of this element, so I need to include it over here. Then refresh, and then refresh, and it will both 3. Let me add the option for you. Option Metroid. There you go. You can vote 4 now, but I will vote 3. And you can vote multiple times. And actually I don't want that, because you can do something not funny. Both 3. And then I will do close poll. And it will show the winner, I think. Yep, Mario Odyssey. I will have to do, and once I close the poll, you won't be able to vote anymore. I mean, you will be able to type the vote command, but it won't do anything because it's closed now. So what I need to do next is to probably add a little of styling to this. I will a little of styling to this one. Font weight bold. Content winner. Yeah, I need to add this to the before. Yep. So winner will have font weight of bold, and then also winner before will have a display inline block. Content congratulations, and then after inline block content equals is the winner. All right. I don't know if it will work, but let's see. Vote 3. Close poll. Mario Odyssey. Okay, it didn't work. It will faster if I just do the message over there. Font size 18 pixels, text align center, and actually I want to add a default value to test the styling. All right. Oh, I didn't. Okay, this is an ID. With 100%. Probably the font will be larger, something like that. This will probably needs to be a div. Then, oops. All right. Something like that. There you go. So I can do both 2 and then close poll. Mario Odyssey. Why did it show Mario Odyssey? Both 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, outright. Let me. I will refresh and then both 1 or 3, both 3. And Splatoon should 1. Mario Odyssey. Okay, I have something weird over here, and it probably has to do with this, the sorting, I think. Yeah, it's the sorting because I need to sort descending. Yeah, descending, not ascending, and I had the values inverted. So let me refresh, and then I will refresh over here as well, and then I will add this over here. And then I will vote for Splatoon, which is 3, and vote 3. And then I will close the poll. And the winner is Splatoon 2. Okay. Yeah, and I forgot to remove something here. This one. So in case of a draw, it won't show. It will only show one winner. But that's okay, I can fix that later. What I can do also is something like client.say channel and the same message. Well, not the same, just without the HTML tags. Oops. Without this one. Without this one. There you go. So if I do, let me refresh. Channel drive and then both 3 and then close all. And it will display something on screen and on chat, and that's it. I mean, this is pretty basic at this point. We can add some features later, like just one vote per user, or animations during the votes. I mean, yeah, I don't know, something like that. We can add that later. But so far it's looking good, and I think I could use this for example, poll. Wait, what are we building next? Oh, I need to do cleanup. And actually what I can do is to include the winner over here. The winner will be over here, and then I can remove this and poll.winner equals winner.text, and then update UI, and then this function should take care of the winner as well. If poll.logged, then poll.winner, then this, and oops, I got rid of it. Winner element dot inner HTML equals this. There you go. And then oh yeah, create poll will create a new element. This. There you go. Where is the create poll function? This one. Yep, I need to declare it as let, and then oops, equals these options. Oh, there you go. So if I do, for example, if I need to recreate the poll, just poll, what are we building next? Oh, I forgot to remove these ones. And actually what I can do as well is to let me try this. Let me copy and paste, and then WP. What's that? What I can do, it's for the options. WhatsApp clone app. A text. We can do a chat, but since this, I won't. I don't have a. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, we are about to finish. I'm just thinking the next ideas. Yeah, and what I wanted to do is to, for example, do something in the option over here. Basically, if option dot contains or I don't remember if it's contains. What I can do actually is something like const options equals option dot split with a var, and then for each option create a for const opt, and then options opt, and then yeah, this is all right. Actually, there you go. So I can do something like, for example, this one, and then option chat, and then game, and then I'm typing in chat, so another thing or nothing. We can add several options at the same time with just one chat command. So I think that's actually pretty cool. But the only thing that I don't know if group. Yeah, it works. So I can do both. I have a single option or multiple options. So that's cool. And then both one, and then close both. And it didn't work. Let me check. Oh, why it didn't work? I'm going to copy this, boop, option, whatever, and then both 3, and then close poll, and it should finish. Let me clear this, and let me go to sources, and then go to this one. There we go. Oh, I got it. I have this poll.winner.text. No, just poll.winner. There you go. Refresh, and then this, and then this, and then close. No, both for boop, and then close. There you go. The winner is boop. And I don't know why it changed the position of the items, but yeah, I will need to check that later. So, I mean, this took more time than expected. I am a little rusty. I haven't worked with JavaScript in a few months or weeks, probably months. I haven't been working full with coding, so I'm a little rusty. But yeah, just leave a comment if you want to see something specific or you have suggestions. I think that will be it for today. Thank you for stopping by, for saying hello, for staying stream, and see you next time, probably next Wednesday. Thank you. Bye bye. I don't have a layout for goodbye. Probably need to do that next because I have the be right back. But yeah, hello. See you next time.